Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on manage roles on role settings on permissions on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click here and now click settings, now click roles and click here and now click permissions. Here you will find manage roles, click on it like this and click save after this and it will be saved. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.